So guys, make sure to stand till the end, because if you make one common mistake you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts diagnostics that you may need. Make sure to stand till the end, we will explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you need to find where the oil pressure sensor switch, also known as oil pressure sensor or also oil pressure switch, fuses and relays are located, which fuses relays control it. If you need to buy replacement parts and tools at a good price, that way do not waste money and time. We'll share the information in the video below, guys. Check it out. So let's start on it now. So before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix transmissions, engines, bodywork, electrical components, fuses, relays. Why we do all that, guys? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. We have, guys, more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can practically, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you need to buy parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. So the oil pressure sensor switch, fuses and relays, where we can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this Dodge Challenger here. By the way, guys, you have up to 2 different fuse boxes that you need to check today. The first one, you need to open the hood, and once you open the hood facing the car, okay, on the left side, that's the passenger side, that will be your main engine fuse box here. You see these tabs, you need to push them together, pull that cover up, and you will find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. The oil pressure sensor switch, guys, fuses, relays, where you can expect to find them. We'll need to check multiple fuses and relays due to the fact that there is very limited information exactly which one is for the oil pressure sensor, but they're known as engine management fuses. And the first one is fuse 31. The second fuse you need to check is fuse 34. The third fuse you need to check is 35. And the fourth fuse is 37. Next, you will need to check relay 63, which is known as ASD relay. After that, open the trunk, lift the carpet liner on the back side up. You have the spare tire right here, and that's a car battery. Right behind it, you will see a box. That's a closer look of it. That's the trunk fuse box. Press the tabs together and pull that cover up. You will find that layout here. We need to check relay 29. And some models may have relay 14 here in the corner as well. Those are the most common things we check on Dodge Challenger, guys. So, guys, this Dodge Challenger has all kinds of different fuses and relays. Those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. We'll, guys, put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some spare ones put in the glove box, because one time we needed a spare, we couldn't find one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.